What do you do at college at night? Play hide and seek, of course! Try and find everyone! Kelly under the sticky notes, Holly between balls, and Andy on the ceiling. Watch our exciting game of college hide and seek at night in our new video. Class is ended. Thank you, everyone. You are dismissed. And Miss Burpool starts her nightlife. Midnight is snack time. What's that? Hang in there, baby. Miss Burpool will be back soon. Shh. We decided to play night hide and seek. She's coming. Hide. Who's in here? Oh, gosh! Phew, that's just a mannequin. Thank goodness it was a mannequin head, not Kelly's. Poor Holly. She shouldn't have disguised herself as a couch. Oh no, anything but this. Phew, the danger is gone. I'll have some coffee. Who do we have in here? My favorite student! Hi, Andy! How are you? Hey, who's there? Hold on, is that my reflection in the mirror? Whoa, my carb diet is working! I lost so much weight! I need to take some mirror pics right now! Hey, what happened? I can hear Miss Burpool's steps! Hurry up! We need to hide! Oh, a cookie! I wonder who left it in here. Is she gone? Phew! I can get off the board! Andy decided to leave a message for college security. There's nobody here. What? Andy, that's genius! You are so smart! Let's get out of here! Otherwise, they'll definitely find us. Oh, what's this? Darts? I love it! Too bad I'm not very accurate. Oh, what's there? Look, this statue of a bodybuilder came to life. Phew, lucky Andy. If the dart flew a few inches closer, it could be in his head. I can hear steps. That's Miss Burpool. Where do I hide? No, don't touch me! Ah! That's you, Holly? Sorry, Andy. I didn't know this spot is already occupied. This size of this bag is perfect for me. I hope Miss Burpool won't want to sit on it. The college is full of life at night. And here comes Miss Burpool. Holly is hiding behind the lockers. And Kelly had to disguise herself in nature. I need to check everything in here. And water the plants while I'm at it. Poor Kelly! She didn't want to take a shower in the middle of the classroom. And Holly didn't even get noticed. What a great disguise! The important thing is she is dry. A gym is a great place to hide, but Miss Burpool has the same opinion, and she decided to check there. Well, well, well! Who do we have in here? A cheerleader statue? Oh, sure! Let's check your reaction to a chant. Gimme a T! Gimme an R! Gimme a double O! Gimme an M! Troom, troom! Whoops! I got you, Kelly! Go to the office right now! Well, everyone else must be hiding somewhere in here. Where could they be? Where are they hiding? Ouch! Easy, Miss Burpool! Holly, that ball looks very good on your head. And now, roll to the office. Let's continue the student hunt. May as well take advantage of my location. A little workout never hurt nobody. And now, the right hand. Left. And now without any hands at all. Well, it looks like there's no one else in here. Let's go! Haha! Miss Burpool didn't find me. I win midnight hide and seek. The only problem is I can't get off the board now. Miss Burpool is checking the most mysterious place at college, the bathroom. Anybody here? A drop of sweat betrays him. Andy can't help being discovered. Get down, Spider-Man! Miss Burpool is the winner of our nighttime hide and seek. She found everyone, even Andy. Well, students, that was awesome. I loved it. And now you'll be looking for me. And since my little sandwich is already ruined, we'll continue the game right now. Get ready to look for me. Close your eyes and count to 100, guys. And don't peek while Miss Burpool is hiding. 98, 99, 100. Ready or not, here we come. Maybe in here? Miss Burpool? In this locker? Seriously, Andy? Maybe she's behind the locker? Not here either. And she is not sitting under the desk. Okay, guys, let's keep looking. We have looked into each and every corner of the college, but Miss Burpool is nowhere to be seen. Look, she posted to her Instagram story. Here she is at a party. Yay! Look for me at the best party of this year. So that's where she is hiding. Hurry up, let's go. Holly will try on a professor look while no one sees her. Great, students! And now, let's check your home task. Everyone gets an F. Oh! Hi, Andy! What brings you here? Whoa! Look what I found! There's a whole lot of Chupa Chups here. Turns out Miss Burpool is secretly addicted to lollipops. I love Chupa Chups. Holly, look what I can do. I juggle Chupa Chups. Ouch! Check out my Chupa Chups drumsticks instead. Quiet! Someone's coming! Time to get out of here! And these Chupa Chups will come with us. Would you like to play hide and seek at college with us? Then find Holly in this room. Comment below where she could be hiding. Hi, here I am, standing right behind the camera. How could you not see me? Did you like our college hide and seek? Then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new fun videos about college hide and seek from Troom.